It's raining out, and this is what the results are. Water everywhere. Car standing still, not even moving. Water on the floorboards, water on the seats, water in the console. Isn't it lovely? This is how Ford takes care of its customers. We're highly valued. They haven't even returned my phone calls. Actually, only the Ford corporate customer service was the only one that returned my phone call. The dealership is ignoring it, as far as I know. Good luck, everybody. This is what you got to look forward to with a Ford. Okay, here's my solution. Cover it with a big towel and let it soak it all up. I'd think twice about buying this vehicle. It hasn't even been raining that long. I don't know what it's going to be like in the morning. Probably the towel will be saturated. Raindrops keep falling on my head.